I'm Ethan, I'm 22, from Swansea. I'm currently completing an apprenticeship in production fast track with the BBC, and I'm currently based in BBC Sport Wales. I've had a great time so far. I've been there just over 3 months now, since September. On a day-to-day basis, or on something like that, I'm mainly based on the radio side of things. So we have a live radio show every Friday, 7 to 10, and then we also have radio sport on the weekend and all the comedies and games. So a lot of my role has been currently researching, getting stories ready, what's happening in the sporting world of Wales really for that week, so we can get some nice stories developed and hopefully make them into a package for the radio show. I've also done things like backwalling, so when there's a live game on, I'll be in the studio clipping highlights of goals or any chances in rugby games or tries, and then we use that footage and audio in future previews or future radio shows then to hype up or preview a game, and we store it on the archives. I'm enjoying it so far. Hopefully I get a chance. This is such a big department. We do a lot of stuff online as well, and social media, and obviously TV. So I'm hoping I can get a chance in dipping my fingers in everything really and give it all a good shot. Yeah, it's been quite a whirlwind of experience, to be honest. So I was a mechanic before. To go from that then, and then to go to some press conferences or sporting events and seeing some players and quite famous people back behind the scenes, and you're working is just it doesn't feel like work. It's quite different. So yeah, I'm enjoying it. Ideally, it'd be nice. I'd like the radio show a lot, and hopefully work my way up, maybe get more comfortable in producing, and hopefully give that a shot, because that just seems very fun, very seems like a very you need to be responsible in that role, and it'd be nice to give it a crack really. So we're at Skill Academy this week. So this is the qualification side of the apprenticeship, which is very, very useful. That's another good thing about the apprenticeship. As well as you're on a placement, you also get a chance to complete a qualification and get something out of it. So that's why we're here. It's very, very important. We're completing the modules which we need to access the criteria and get that qualification. And hopefully learn some useful tips. There's some really good trainers here with a lot of experience in the industry. It's always good to pick their brains and try and get some more knowledge.